friends, in a last lecture we have seen what is computer networks. In this video I am going to explain uses of computer networks. So in which areas we are using this network. So let us see that computer network can be used in business application, it can be used in home application and mobile user. Nowadays everything will be depend on computer network. So here is a diagram. In this side it's clients and this one is a server. These clients and server are connected through internet. Okay, suppose you take any organization in the in that organization there is a server. Okay, so that server using different clients nothing but the customer or users, and server is present in a business application. So why they are using server? Because whatever the resources are present in that business application they want, that's why they're using server. Okay, suppose a client want use some ms product. So a client register it and by paying something and using this server, and this client do same thing, and this another client also do same thing. So this comes under the business application. So what we are using here, so first is resource sharing. How the resource sharing? Here we are sharing the part of hardware and software and information, etc. So next one is a communication medium. Business application providing communication medium. Then what type of communication medium they are provide? They are provide email, video, conference, etc. And third one is e-commerce. So business application doing through electrically, means doing business electrically, using business to business or business to consumers, etc. Okay, so so let's see one by one this resource sharing, communication medium, and e-commerce. In a resource sharing, the goal is to make all programs, equipments like printers, etc., and especially data available to anyone on the network without regard to the physical location of the resources and the users. Okay, already I said you hardware, okay, software, information. So the goal is to make all programs, software equipments means hardware, okay, like a printers, mobile phone, pcs, computers, etc. Okay, second one is a communication medium. So business application providing communication medium through internet. So a computer network can provide a powerful communication medium among employees. Okay, virtually every company that has two or more computers now has email, which employees generally use for a great deal of daily communication. I said you in a communication medium, email, video conference is examples of communication medium. Okay, next one is e-commerce. A goal that is starting to become more important in the business is doing business with the consumers over the internet. So B2B, B2C, consumer to consumer. Okay, airlines, bookstores, and music vendors have discovered that many customers like the convenience of shopping from home. So these are the some business application of computer network. So next is the goals of network in companies in business application areas. I said you already research sharing. We are sharing resources like equipments, programs, data using network in companies in a business application. Second goal is high reliability. High reliability means here is a network is high reliable because it's replicated data and network is highly reliability. And third one is goal is saving money. In a business application, how the network useful for saving money. Suppose you take a mainframe. Using this mainframe is 10 times faster but 1000 times more expensive. Okay, so suppose obviously small organization won't prefer this mainframe. Okay, but so then saving money, what they prefer, they prefer client server model, means server client model. Okay, so next goal is scalability. Here is also, suppose you take mainframe, then using this mainframe, what will be the scalability? You can replace a large one. Okay, so it's also more expensive. Then instead of this mainframe, we can use server client model. Using this, we can add more servers, so performance will be increased. Okay, these are the goals of networks in companies in business application areas. Okay, so next use of computer network, that is server client model. So in a server client model, what is server client model? Here is a client, here is a server. Client send the request to receiving some information or data or equipments from server, and server processing it and send the response related that information and send to the client, and client receive this information. This is the server client model. So one can imagine a company's information system as consisting of one or more database and some employees who need to access it remotely. In this model, the data is stored on powerful computers called servers. Server side store the more powerful data or information or equipments. Often these are centrally maintained by system administrator. This information store server side and this information store administrator. In contrast, the employee have simple machine called clients on their desks, using which they access remote data. Using this client server, they access information or remote data. Okay, so now next use of computer network, that is a home network application. Second one is home network application. Some of the most important uses of the internet for home users are as follows. So here is access to remote information. Second one is person-to-person communication. Next one is interactive entertainment, and fourth one is electronic commerce. So in access to remote information, example is a financial field, shopping, online digital libraries, World Wide Web, etc. These all using access to the remote information. Means financial field use access to remote information. Shopping, suppose we want some products, online products, then use access to remote information. Same. Okay. Next one is a person-to-person communication. Means P2P. Example is email or video conference, news group, etc. Suppose I'm a person. I'm interact with another person or my friend through email for sharing some information. Suppose users want information through companies, then he interact with the companies with email. So this one is a person-to-person communication. Third one is interactive entertainment. Entertainment. Example is TVs, game playing, etc. So this is interactive entertainment system. There are not a fixed client, or there are not fixed system. So this everyone have own system or own client. No one is are fixed here. So here's the examples: TVs, games, playing, etc. These are the interactive entertainment. So fourth one is electronic commerce. Uh, Actually, electronic commerce is previous standard we have learned electronic commerce subject, and these all things including in this. So B2C means business to consumers, B2B business to business, C2C consumers to consumer, G2C government to consumer, and P2P means peer to peer. Okay, these are the tags, and example is here. Suppose business to business in this ordering books online. These are the examples of business to consumers, and business to business. Suppose car manufacturer ordering tries to from supplier, tires from suppliers. For example, suppose we manufacture car and we want tires to making this car. So tires making another company, and car another car parts making another company. So this company are the business, another business. They purchasing one business companies one product, and another company making another product. They selling that product each other, means business to business. Okay, so next one is a consumer to consumer, means auctioning second hand products online. Means suppose I purchase, or I say I selling my mobile online. So this was second hand product, right? So someone purchase or someone sells products through online. This is a consumer to consumer. Next one is a government to consumers, means government distributing tax from electronically. Suppose I purchase a home, my own home, then yearly I pay tax to the government, means government to consumer. And next one is a peer to peer, means here is a sharing file one system to another system, means no one system interact with another, interfere with each other. And just he is uh, uh, one system is a fixed, another system is also fixed, means here's only shared information, file information. It's a peer-to-peer system or file sharing. So next is use of computer network, that is mobile user. Nowadays everyone use a mobile, and without internet we can uh, we can't use another application without internet. So mobile computers such as notebook computers and mobile phone is one of the fastest growing segment of the entire computer industries. So these are the uses of computer network. First is a business application, second one is a home application, and third one is a mobile users. Thank you. In the next video, we will see network hardware. Thank you.